everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share a monsoon skincare routine with all of you. Something which is very practical, very easy to follow, includes just a few steps but very effective, and something that I personally follow as well, and I think you guys should try. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. Now this video is in collaboration with Foxy. Foxy is a new platform which connects beauty influencers and artists such as me with various brands and savvy shoppers. So you guys must check out Foxy if you like shopping online. You can see amazing brand recommendations, you will always get discounts. You will also get to see a lot of other influencers who are going to talk about the details and reviewing a product. So definitely you should check out Foxy. And before buying anything, you can definitely see like the live demo and review of that product. So first step of any skincare routine for any season should be cleansing, which obviously includes like a face wash. Now I am a person who is oily skin kind. You should choose your own face wash according to your skin concern and your skin requirement. For example, because I am an oily skin kind person, I try to find face washes which kind of removes the excess oil that is sitting on my face. When I was suffering from a lot of acne and pimples, I always tried those face washes which had like tea tree or neem as their main ingredient, because the job of those two is to fight acne. So always keep in mind what skin kind you are and what skin concern you want to fight, and choose your face wash accordingly. Step number 2 is using a face mask. Now face mask is something which you can do just once or twice a week depending on the weather, the climate and the kind of skin you have. I stay in a place which is very hot and humid, and using a mask once a week is perfect for me. Now I'm going to recommend a particular face mask to all of you, which is the Mamaearth C3 face mask, which comes with charcoal, coffee and clay. Now this face mask is perfect if you want to have like a healthy and glowing skin, because it promises to brighten and tighten your skin. It also reduces your acne and pimples, and it is completely made up of with natural ingredients. Now this is suitable for all skin types, and that's why I am going to recommend this to all of you. I have been using this for a long time and I have got amazing results. Using this is also very simple. You just have to take like a brush and apply it all over your skin. Make sure that you avoid your under eye area whenever you are applying any face mask, and leave it for like 15 to 20 minutes or until it gets dry. Once the mask has dried down, use lukewarm water to wash and rinse your face completely. Make sure that you completely get rid of the mask and wash your face thoroughly, and then just wipe it down with a warm cloth or like a towel. And what you will instantly notice is that your skin is glowing, and it instantly also gets rid of any kind of dust and any kind of extra dirt which might have been clogged into your pores, and gives you like a radiant and a very glowing skin very instantly. The final step in this routine would be obviously using a moisturizer. Choose a moisturizer keeping in mind the skin concern you want to fight and your skin type. Now I always go for lightweight moisturizers because I already have a very oily skin, so I do not need moisturizers which are very heavy or like which are pretty thick. I always go for serums or moisturizers which are very light in texture, so that it gets absorbed into my skin easily and also does not make me feel greasy, oily or sticky at the same time. So make sure whenever you are choosing your moisturizer, keep in mind what you want to use it for. If you have a dry skin type, you can always go for moisturizers which are a little bit heavy and which will give you good hydration and nourishment. And the fourth step is using a lip balm. Never ever skip using a lip balm, because I think it's a very important step, and I absolutely love using lip balms. I like to use lip balms which are free from any sort of pigmentation or or coloring and do not have a glossy finish. But if you guys like pigmented or colored lip balms, definitely you can choose the same. Those were the only 4 steps that are involved in this simple, very easy monsoon skincare routine. This is the real routine which I follow during the monsoon, and as you can see, I do not really have a lot of problems in my skin. Touch wood, I do have a pretty even skin, and I am not really also suffering from any sort of acne or pigmentation or dull or dehydrated skin. It's because I maintain this skin regime in the monsoon, and it's also very effective as well. Now the products that I mentioned in this video, like this Mamaearth C3 face mask, is available at Foxy, so make sure you check it out. You will also get some amazing discounts when you buy products from Foxy. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and liked it. I will be seeing you guys super soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.